Rain or shine, 75 look at that. Fucking little fucking ice pellets here today.
Like bullets.
What are they like?
They're like ice bullets.
Fuck. We got 17 minutes left. You haven't tried 75 hard. It's the best. You get packed with ice pellets. We're both wearing shorts. This is awesome. Cap raisers. Oh my god. Look at the size of these fucking things. Oh man. I wish if you ran faster it could get better. No, it's not that bad. Okay, well we'll head back. Just in case it gets bigger. Holy shit.
Your phone's gonna stop working.
This is awesome.